Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Tech Chronicle with Swastik. In this channel, I will going to give you the latest updates regarding computer science and about the upcoming courses in my channel. Today, I will going to continue operating system full course from where I had left. Today, I will going to tell the lecture 3 of operating system where you will going to know about process management. Under this, you will going to know about what is process, process memory section, and process management attributes. Now coming to first one, that is what is process. A process is program in execution. Process is not as same as program code but a lot more than it. A process is an activity entity as opposed to program, which is considered to be a passive entity. Attributes held by process include hardware state, memory, CPU, etc. Now coming to process memory section. Process memory is divided into four sections for efficient working. The text section is made up of compiled program code read in from non-volatile storage when the program is launched. The data section is made up the global and static variable allocated and initialized prior to initialize the main. Now coming to the third one, the heap is used for the dynamic memory allocation and is managed via call to new, delete, malloc, free, etc. The stack is used for a local variable. Space on the stack is reserved for local variable when they are declared. Now coming to the last, that is process management attributes. Here there are six types of attributes. Now coming to the first one, that is process ID. It is the unique identification number which is assigned by the operating system at the time of process creation. Every process has its own process ID. Now coming to the second one, that is process state. It represents the state of the process where currently it is residing. The process will have various state. At one time process will reside only in one state. Now coming to the third one, that is program counter. Program counter contain the address of the next instruction to be executed. Initially, the program counter is assigned the address of the list instruction, and on the completion of the execution, the program counter value changes to the next instruction. Now coming to the fourth one, that is priority. Priority is the value which is assigned by the operating system at the time of process creation. Every process will have some kind of priority. It is just an integer. Now coming to the fifth one, that is general process of register. Every process will have its own registers. Now coming to the last one, that is list of open files. The process will contain the list of open files. The files that are open during execution of the process is maintained in the list of open files. Thank you. That's all for this lecture 3. See you in the next lecture. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.